Hi, my name's Tyler. I'm doing a bike check. Okay. I got the Eastern Reaper 2010 frame, the Eastern pedals, Eastern crank stock. I got the Salt headset on a stem. In about 20 minutes is going to be a fuse top load. I got the Eastern fork stock. I got a 2-hip white rim in the front with a Fit FAF tan wall in as a tire. I got animal pegs. I got S&M Grand Slam bars with the Colt Vans grips. I got a Salt brake lever with the Odyssey liner slip cable with Tecro things, and Salt with Tecro brake arms and Salt brake pads. I got an Eastern rim in the back. I bought it from my friend. It's messed up. I'm gonna get a new rim probably next week. I got a Fit seat and a Federal seat post, and that's my bike. I said stem. Oh, I got a profile sprocket and a KMC chain. I painted to be Rasta.
Bye.
Bye.